guys, and welcome back. So today we are going to just be filling in my memory keeper for the week of June 30th through July 6th. I'll zoom you guys out here at the end and I'll show you everything. But I have already went kind of ahead and filled things in, and this is not going to be like a normal thing come after a couple of spreads. But anyway, we are going to start with Monday, June 30th. The kit I used is from Scribble Prints Co. It is the Candyland kit, and I used a Lavender Hollow candy foil bundle. Also, if my voice sounds a little different, it's because I'm getting over a cold and allergies are just kicking my butt. But anyway, I digress from that. I do have my custom multi here. It's in font 1 from Plannahannah in lavender. So let's just jump right in and get started. So Monday the 30th, the first thing I marked is I got to sleep in. I don't know where that guy is from, but this is from the foil bundle. I did get to read, don't remember what I was reading, but that's from the foil bundle. That's from Planner World? I'm not exactly sure. And then for dinner that night, we had some fast food, which the bag is from the foil bundle. I don't remember where any of this stuff is from, actually. So we're just going to keep going. The first thing I marked on Tuesday is my husband had duty. Me and the kiddo, we slept in. And we got Chinese takeout because we were about to be traveling. So on the 2nd, trying to find it. Oh yeah. Oh, Stillwater Girls. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Anyway. I don't have one for that. That's fine. Should be up early. But anyway, I did take a nap. And we were at my mom's house. So I am going to write in early. Alright. On the 3rd, everybody got to sleep in. We did some pool time. I had a couple of drinks with my mama. And I read. On the 4th, I have 4th of July here. But we slept in. We had some fun pool time. I started reading the Stillwater Girls. My sister had a softball tournament. And I don't remember what else I read, but I read something. Saturday, again, we slept in. We had pool time. I was reading the Stillwater Girls. Again, had a couple of drinks with my mom. And I did not get these guys. So, oh, I messed up. That's right. My sister had a softball game. And we had, yeah. Family dinner. And then on Sunday, we slept in. We drove home. We picked up our dog from our friend's house. And watched some Dance Moms. So I'm gonna zoom you out a little bit here. I'm gonna grab my sorry, my planner. And we're just gonna drop her off right in here. So that is what it looks like all done. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.